Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be asking two AIs, what are the most profitable forex trading strategies ever? Let us see what they come up with. We are going to be starting with ChatGPT. I have the prompt copied already, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it right there. The prompt, what are the most profitable forex strategy of all time? Also, attach a short, simplified description for each of the strategy. Send. So the first strategy that ChatGPT listed was trend following strategy. Profitability high when market trends strongly. Time frame medium to long term. Discretion. This strategy involves identifying a market trend up or down and trading in the same direction. Traders use moving average like the 50-day or 200-day to spot trends. The trend is your friend sums it up. Buy when price is above moving average uptrend, sell when price is below moving average downtrend. The second strategy is breakout strategy. Profitability to high during volatile periods. Time frame short to medium term. Discretion. This strategy waits for price to break out of a defined support or resistance level or chart pattern like triangles. Breakout often lead to big moves. Buy when price breaks above resistance, sell when it breaks below support. The third one is carry trade. This carry trade is usually more like for higher institutions, for bigger institutions rather, like big banks. Individual traders like us do not usually trade this carry trade strategy. Profitability too is high. Time frame long term. This involves buying a high interest currency and selling a low interest one to earn the interest rate difference. So it's usually big banks that used to trade this type of strategy, not individual traders. The fourth strategy is scalping strategy. Profitability is high if executed precisely. Time frame very short. Discretion. Scalping targets small profit like 5 to 10 pips from many trades throughout the day. It rely on fast execution, making an it relies on fast decision making and low spreads. Buy yourself for quick profit, often using 1 minute to 5 minute charts. The fifth strategy is mean reversion strategy. Profitability moderate to high, in range bound market, time frame short to medium. And that is it. That is the five strategy for ChatGPT. Let us check Gemini AI now. So I'm just going to copy and paste the same prompt here. What are the most profitable forex strategy of all time? Also, attach a short simplified description for each of the strategy. Let's click on send. The number one here too is trend following strategy. Same with ChatGPT. Number two is price action trading. Number three is support and resistance trading. Number four, carry trade. Number five, scalping. Number six, swing trading. It seems like this number one, this trend following strategy is the most profitable forex strategy out there because it comes up as the number one in both AIs. So what is this video all about? If you are just starting out forex trading and you don't even know where to begin, you don't even have a strategy, you can use this as your roadmap. Just pick one of the best performing strategies here and go and do your deep research on it. Because I'll tell you this, as a forex beginner, the information that you expose yourself to early on is what is going to make you or break you. So it's very important. The information that that you expose yourself to in the beginning is very important. You need to know where to look and most importantly what to look for. So use this as your roadmap. I will recommend the number one, which is trend following. Use this as a roadmap. Take this strategy, go out there, look for similar strategies, develop a strategy around this trend following or any of this strategy that was listed there by this AI, and develop a strategy around it and stick to it. Stick to that one trading strategy. That is what is going to make you profitable as a forex trader. As a forex trader, as a beginner trader used to make this mistake of thinking that the more you know, the more profitable you'll be. That is actually opposite. As a forex trader, too much information is going to ruin you. Too much information, if you expose yourself to too much information, it's going to ruin you. You don't even actually need 1/10 of all those information you are exposing yourself to. You just need to pick one strategy, backtest that strategy intensively, know your data, and straight up take that strategy to the market and start printing money. It's as simple as that. I cannot emphasize this any more than this. Too much information is going to ruin you as a forex trader. Most of all these strategy too are even out there for free. Most traders are giving out their own strategy for free. So what is there? Just go there, copy the exact same strategy, and start implementing it on your own portfolio and start making money from day one. You can refine it to better work for you more. You can backtest it, refine it in a way that it will be more aligned to you. You can take that strategy and make it your own. But it's way better than trying to build strategy from scratch, trying to invent a new wheel. That will burn you too much time. It will burn you unnecessary. You just waste time they are supposed to already start making money with. You spend that time, usually months or years, trying to learn. And in forex trading, there are always something to learn. You always miss something to learn. You can never know everything. So if you are waiting for when you know everything to start, you might never even start at all. So just the best advice I will give is go there, look for a trader that is putting out his work there, that is giving you the same strategy that is using to make consistent income. Copy that same strategy. You don't even need to buy course or anything. Most of these strategies are available for free online. Just go. Most traders are giving out their strategy, that they're even trading live. You can see the same strategy. Just go copy the same strategy and implement it and start making money from day one. Don't don't use that mindset of I want to build my own strategy. You are going to waste valuable time. You are going to waste valuable time chasing the wind. Don't try to invent new thing. Copy a profitable trader strategy and implement it and start making money along the way. Start making money as you are growing in forex. It's very important. Your primary goal as a forex trader is to make money, not to be the best trader in the world, not to be the I know it all type of trader. Your primary goal is to make money. Never forget this as a trader. So if you enjoyed watching this video, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want us to dive deeper on any of the strategy that was listed here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.